Hi guys, you're welcome back to your favorite channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Bibi Naija lockdown. Tolani Baj caught fingering herself live on camera last night after Prince refused to. Tolani Baj was caught live on camera helping herself with her fingers inside her pants after a bust up with Prince. Tolani Baj, as her peers call her, was fuming with anger last night, claiming Prince has ignored her to be with Watoni and Erica. According to her, his actions have caused tension between her and the two ladies. She logged a complaint with Brighto, who tried talking her out but refused to listen to his advice, saying she would deal with him. She later went to meet Prince, who changed her mood with his good vibes. She must have felt better after the conversation, as she's seen in her bed helping herself with her fingers buried deep in her pants. Wow, this is crazy. These housemates are just so wild, man. So many things is going on right now in the Big Brother Naija house. So in case you missed it, yeah, this is one thing that happened last night on the show. So guys, stay tuned, as a housemate will be evicted today on the live show. I'll be bringing you the news updates once it happens. Stay subscribed to Naija News and Entertainment to get more gist from the Bibi Naija house.